Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Fellas, have I got a grill for y'all today. Now, normally you hear me talking about a smoker, every once in a while you see a grill. I think we have got the Mac Daddy Santa Maria grill and off-road package. I don't know if there's ever been one bigger than this. I mean, this is the real deal right here. Now, this is going on my man Tony in Shelbyville, Tennessee, with a Rowdy Ranch Catering, and he's got a couple other big grills, but he wanted something he could take out and cook on site and really put on a show for the people. So, and I think we've done a good job here setting them up. So this is a 5-foot by 10-foot Santa Maria grill, of course, on our off-road package. Now, we really did up this off-road package, all 3D fabricated parts. Got a cool undercarriage here with a bunch of storage down there. Obviously, we did the upgraded wheels and tires on there as well. You got to get that. Now, on this Santa Maria grill, all 1/4-inch plate. We did do dual grates here, so they go up independent of each other. So really smooth, very easy to adjust your height while you're cooking. We got double doors in the front. Tend your fire, air intakes on each door there. Quite the setup on this grill here. Guys, these Santa Maria grills are great. They're fun to cook on, they put on a show. Obviously they catch your attention, and that's kind of the whole point of this deal. So can't wait for Tony to get this bad boy. He's gonna put it to use tomorrow at Jack Daniel's Employee Benefit Cook. So we're excited to see that. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.